Guys, welcome to my channel Kati Little Express. Today we will have a small quiz on terminology of water bodies like definitions of oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, ponds, bays, gulfs and straits. Without wasting time, let's go to our first question. What do we call the large salty water body that covers 71% of its surface? It's an ocean. As we all know, ocean is the largest water body on our earth. Let's go to next question. Which is the largest and deepest ocean? It's the Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean occupies nearly more than 30% of Earth's surface. It is larger even if we compare with the total surface area of all the continents. Which is the smallest and shallowest ocean? Arctic. Largest and deepest is the Pacific, shallowest and smallest is the Arctic. It is also called as the coldest ocean as it is covered many of the days with ice. Which is the saltiest ocean? Atlantic. All the oceans are salty, but Atlantic is more saltier when compared to the others. It has more than 37 parts of salt per thousand parts of water, which means it contains more than 37 grams of salt per 1 liter of the ocean water. A salty water body smaller than the ocean and partially covered with land. Sea. A water body that is smaller than ocean is nothing but a sea. Which is the only sea without a coastal line or seashore? Sargasso Sea. This sea doesn't have a coastal line. That means it doesn't covered with a land mass around it. This sea is located in the Atlantic Ocean. It is named after a special seaweed called sargassum which grows in it. A long stream of fresh water flowing in a channel to join another water body. It's a river. Which is the first longest river in the world? Is none other than Nile. Nile of Egypt. This is about 4,132 miles, whereas Amazon is of 4,000 miles. In India, Indus and Brahmaputra are the two longest rivers. They are both are of 2,900 kilometers. A large, deep area of water surrounded by land. It's a lake. Small and shallow water body surrounded by land. It's a pond. If it is large and deep, then we call it as a lake. If it is small and shallow, we call it as a pond. Where can we see better plant growth? At the bottom of the pond. We know that the sunlight is essential for plant growth. The lakes are so deep that they don't allow sunlight to their bottom, whereas ponds are shallow enough to pass the sunlight to their bottoms. Hence, there is better plant growth in ponds than in lakes. A broad inlet of sea water where the land curves inwards and is smaller than Gulf. Is a bay. Examples: Bay of Bengal, Bay of Biscay, Bay of Fundy, Tokyo Bay. There are more bays in our world. What do you call large bay? It's a gulf. If it is the small inlet of ocean or sea water, then we call it as a bay. If it is a large inlet covered with the land, then we call it as a gulf. Examples: Gulf of Mexico, Gulf of Thailand, Gulf of California, Gulf of Naples. Narrow passages of water connecting to large water bodies. A strait. A strait is nothing but a narrow passage that connects two oceans or two seas like that, or a ocean and a sea. Examples of straits: Malacca Strait, Bering Strait, Strait of Tartary, Torres Strait. There are a lot more straits. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Let's meet again in our next video. Thank you.